I was just about to collect them feeders and then I seen it might have been a cold tit or a long-tailed tit. It was like black and white. So I'm just going to try and get that on camera now, just because I've never had one of them on camera.